Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I cut my hair in layers using the ponytail method. So I make sure my hair is detangled, then I'm going to separate my hair in two. This is just to do like the part on the top and make sure that I don't touch the length of my hair. So I'm not going to cut all the section in the back that you see. I kind of do a circle on top of my hair, and this is the part that I'm gonna cut. So I make sure I detangle the section that I'm gonna cut, and I do a ponytail in front of my head. Then I detangle again, and I make sure it's straight enough that the ponytail is in the middle. And I cut just a little bit, not too much, since you don't want your layers to be too short so that it can blend with the rest of your length. As you can see, the first one is not too short, but I'm gonna do the same thing a little bit higher on top of my head with less hair, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter so I can have more layers. And I'm just gonna repeat this all over the top of my head until I'm satisfied with the layers. This is the result when my hair is still kind of straight, and I'm going to show you what my hair looks like when it's curly. So let me know what you guys think. If you have another method to do some layers on your hair, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.